My dear students, today I am going to discuss the next topic, isomerism. This is the general topic applicable for starting from alkane to isocyanate. For all the types of organic compound, this is possible. So here, let me concentrate first structural isomerism. Okay. I am Dr. R. Gunasekharan, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Let me first define what is isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula, but different physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by this isomer is called isomerism. Please follow, let me repeat again. Compounds having the same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these isomers is called isomerism. Okay, example I will give it here. So I have a molecular formula compound, two compounds having the general molecular formula C2H6O. One probably ethyl alcohol, another is probably dimethyl ether. So compound ethyl alcohol and dimethyl having the same molecular formula but different physical properties. Boiling point of ethyl alcohol 78.3, where ether boiling point 25 degrees centigrade. Then coming for chemical properties, ethyl alcohol reacts with the sodium to produce brisk effervescence by the liberation of hydrogen gas, whereas dimethyl ether chemically inert, no reaction with sodium. So, compounds having same molecular formula C2H6O but different physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by this isomer is called isomerism. Very clear way I have defined. Now, isomerism, types of isomerism we have to discuss. There are broadly we can classify into two types. One is structural isomerism, another is stereoisomerism. First, let me concentrate on structural isomerism. Please follow. What is structural isomerism? Definition is compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are called structural isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by this structural isomer is called structural isomerism. Let me repeat again. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are called structural isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these structural isomers is called structural isomerism. Please follow. So, these structural isomers I can further classify into four types. So, I will discuss here types of structural isomerism. Structural isomerism can be broadly classified into four types. 1. Chain isomerism. 2. Positional isomerism. 3. Functional group isomerism. And 4. Metamerism. Please follow. So let me discuss one by one. You can kindly follow. First, let me concentrate chain isomerism. How can I define chain isomerism? Very simple. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon chain. Please follow. Same molecular formula. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon chains are called chain isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by the chain isomer is called chain isomerism. Very, very important. So, molecular formula should be same, but the chain arrangement will be different. So, the most important characteristic of chain isomerism is, I will give example first, then I will predict what type of compound will show chain. The first example, N-pentane and isopentane. Molecular formula is same, 5 carbon atoms. That is C5H12. This is the formula. C5H12. That is the formula. N-pentane, isopentane. And the same with this chain isomerism. So in the case of alcohol also, N-butyl alcohol, isobutyl alcohol, examples of chain isomerism. Linear chain, branched chain. Please follow. N-pentane linear, isopentane branched. Even neopentane also we can use. Kindly follow the specific example. So the important information I want to give is here. This is the most important for competitive point of view. Chain isomerism is possible in all types of organic compound. Please follow. Chain isomerism is possible in all types of organic compound. Let me give a simple example, then I will give a general example. For example, this we have seen already under the alkane, N-pentane, isopentane. Example under alkane. Under alkene, N-pentene, isopentene. Example in alkene. The same way alkyne, N-pentane, isopentane. Example, alkyne. So now with the functional group I am going to use now, there are 4 carbon atom I have taken, CH3, CH2, CH2 and Z is the functional group. So it is called N-isomer. And I am taking 1 methyl group from the left second carbon atom. So automatically after the third carbon atom is Z. So this is a specific example of chain isomerism. So normal iso, kindly follow. So X may be an alcohol, ether. You can just think of an aldehyde, ketone, acid, nitric compound, amine, cyanide, isocyanide. All types of compound will show chain isomerism without any exception. Please follow. This is the most important. Now, let me come for the positional isomerism. This is the another important structural isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula, but difference in position of the functional groups. Difference in position of the functional groups are called positional isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these positional isomers is called positional isomerism. Kindly follow. So that means for this compound we need a position, the functional group. Then only that we can change the position so that we can write 1, 2, 3, etc. Position we can change and we can predict the positional isomerism. Example, first example, I am giving starting alkane. Please follow. Alkane will not show positional isomerism. There is no functional group, even double bond or triple bond is there. So in the case of 1-pentene and 2-pentene, examples of positional isomerism. In the case of alkene, the same way. Now I will give example. This is the important point you have to memorize. Please follow. Chain isomerism is always possible in all types of organic compound. Coming for positional isomerism, alkane do not show positional isomerism. Then what other compounds? Compounds having carbon containing functional groups. Compounds having carbon containing functional group do not show positional isomerism. So no books will give like this. Please follow. No books will give like this the information. Easy way to understand. Kindly follow. This is based on my experience. Kindly follow. Based on that, the compound without positional isomerism, what are they? Aldehyde will not show. Ketones will not show. Carboxylic acid and their derivative will not show. Cyanide will not show. Isocyanide will not show. So I am putting a star ketones. Why? Because a number of books are giving now the ketone is showing a positional isomerism. Let me take example 2-pentanone. This is pentane 2-one. Pentane 2 2-pentanone. Another example, CH3, CH2, 3-pentanone. Kindly follow. 3-pentanone. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2. So, by looking the name, everybody, all the students will understand that this is a positional isomerism. No, this is not positional isomerism. Because no book is touching this part. They will give simply ether example and yes, they are escaping. Giving ether example, they are escaping. They are not at all dealing with the ketone. Let me explain why it is not positional. Because when you go for metamerism later stage, their definition is there, it is due to difference in arrangement of carbon atom. So difference in arrangement means with respect to CO, left side 3, right side 1. With respect to here, both sides equal. So this coming under metamerism. So ketone exception I put star because it is not positional isomerism. It is only metamerism. Kindly follow. So aldehydes will not show, ketones will not show, acid derivatives, acid and acid derivatives, cyanides and isocyanate. Carbon containing functional group will not show positional isomerism. Now, functional group isomerism, very, very important, third type under the structural isomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different functional groups are called functional group isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these functional group isomers is called functional group isomerism. Molecular formula same but different in functional group. I have first example itself. To define isomerism, I have given example. Kindly follow. That example I can give you again. Kindly follow. This is an example. Ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether having the same molecular formula C2H6O, but functional group here it is alcoholic group, here is the ether group. This is the example I have given for defining isomerism. That is, compounds having same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties are called isomer, and the phenomenon exhibited by these isomers is called isomerism. So here this is the functional group isomerism. Now I want to give competitive point of view. This is the important information. Please follow. What type of compound will show functional group isomerism? So there are 5 types. Please memorize. There is no other way we have to. Alcohol and ether will show functional group isomerism. Aldehydes and ketones will show functional group isomerism. Carboxylic acid and acid esters will show functional group isomerism. Nitroalkane and alkyl nitrate will show functional group isomerism. Cyanide and isocyanide will show functional group isomerism. Only 5 pairs will show the functional group isomerism. So, let me give example. So, now let me take alcohol and ether. The formula it is C2H6, ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether, functional group isomerism. Second example, aldehyde and ketone, C3H6. Propanaldehyde and acetone, examples of functional group isomerism, CHO functional group, CO functional group. The next 3, carboxylic acid and acid ester, molecular formula C3H6O2. So, propionic acid and methyl acetate. They are functional group isomerism. Carboxylic acid group, here ester group. And fourth one, nitroalkane and alkyl nitrate. Formula is, kindly follow, CH3O3N. O2. CH3O2N. CH3NO2, nitromethane and methyl nitrite. Kindly follow. Nitromethane and methyl nitrate are the functional group isomerism. Kindly follow. And next example, cyanide and isocyanide. The common formula C2H3N. CH3Cn. Kindly follow. So methyl cyanide, this is methyl isocyanide, carbalamine. Methyl carbalamine. So methyl cyanide and methyl isocyanide are examples of functional group isomerism. Kindly follow. So these 5 pairs will show functional group isomerism. Kindly follow, my dear students. The next I will go for metamerism. Compounds having the same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon atoms on either side of the functional group are called metamers, and the phenomenon exhibited by this metamer is called metamerism. Kindly follow. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon atom on either side of the functional group. So that gives an idea. So the functional group should come in between of the carbon chain. That is the idea you must have. Let me give now example for metamerism. Normally all books are giving ether. Methyl propyl ether and diethyl ether example. Common name. So this is methyl propyl ether. This is diethyl ether. So suppose you want IUPAC name, kindly follow. This is 1, 2, 3. 1 methoxypropane. This is 1 ethoxyethane. 1 ethoxyethane. First one, 1 methoxypropane. IUPAC name. Second one, 1 ethoxyethane. So these are examples of metamerism because different in carbon arrangement. The first case, 3 carbon left side, 1 carbon right side. The second case, both sides equal. So this is a metamerism example. Now I want to give some information. Kindly follow. That is, what type of compound will show metamerism? So the compound having metamerisms are, this is the general formula. I am writing CH3, CH2, CH2 is that CH3, and then I will write CH3, CH2 is that CH2, CH3. So left side 3 carbon, right side 1 carbon. Same way in this case, both side 2 carbon. Difference in carbon arrangement. See the definition, please. One more time. See the definition. This is the definition. Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon atom on either side of the functional group. That's why ketones comes under the metamerism, are called metamers, and the phenomenon exhibited by these metamers is called metamerism. Kindly follow. So now let me come back. So what are the compounds will show this example? So ether will show the example. Number 1, first one, ether. What I can now simply say is CH3, CH2, CH2, OCH3, ether. And another one, CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. This is example. So according to IUPAC name, 1 methoxypropane, 1 ethoxyethane or metamerism example. So that is the ether example. Number 2, ketone. Again, ketone example. Same thing you write now. CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. Instead of is that I am writing the functional group. The next case CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. The IUPAC name here it is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 pentanone, this is 3 pentanone. Please follow. 2 pentanone, this is 3 pentanone, examples of metamerism. The next one, anhydride, carboxylic anhydride. What is the formula for anhydride? So let me write now like this: CH3, CH2, COO, then CH, that is CH2, I can write CH3. Kindly follow. So how many carbon atom in this? In this case CO, CO3H3. Kindly follow. Let me rewrite now. Please follow. Let me write the same formula. I will write CH3, CH2, CH2, 3 carbon atom, then CO, that is CO, then O, then comes CH3. So left side 3, right side 1. So CO, here again CO. Kindly follow. What is the acetic formula? CO, CO is the acetic anhydride. Or simply we can write here this way. Double bond O, C double bond O. So this is the way we can write the corresponding anhydride. So this CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. So how I can give the name for this one? Anhydride, this is correspondingly, we know. So this is methyl group, this is propyl group. So with this number first though, methyl propyl anhydride. It is, so acetic anhydride, normally what we will say, correspondingly anhydride we will say. So this is the methyl propyl anhydride. Kindly follow. Okay, right. The next one, ester. Let me take the fifth one, fourth example. Ester. I will write again CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. 1 carbon atom. The second case CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3. Kindly follow CH3. CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. First case, ester group in the center, right side 1, left side 3. The same case, in this case, both cases 2 carbon atom. So I can give name for the first one is, the ester means OATE I will add. This is methyl butanoate, 4 carbon atom, methyl butanoate. This I will call it as ethyl propanoate. Ethyl propanoate. Please follow. Very, very interesting information. Ethyl propanoate. Examples. And lastly, I can give for the fifth one, the secondary amines, a specific example. How can I give secondary amine? NHCH2, CH2, then NH, then CH3. This is the one. Another example, CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3. So this is, in this case, this is the parent hydrocarbon. So I can now number is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So what I will give now, 1 amino propane is the parent. 1 amino propane. So 1 hyphen, there is N, methyl, amino, propane. Please follow. What I am giving name now. This is number 1. 1 is N. So within bracket 1 N methyl, within bracket aminopropane. Kindly follow. N methyl aminopropane. Now coming for this one, this number is 1. This is number 2. Again 1. Kindly follow. So 1 again I will write here 1. The same name I will use. Instead of methyl group, I will use 1 ethyl. 1 N-ethyl. This is number 1, this is number 2. 1 N-ethyl amino ethane. Not propane, ethane. 1 N-ethyl amino ethane. Or simply called diethylamine. The first one common name. The first one methyl propylamine. So the most important case is, so the only 5 types of compound will show metamerism. Ether, ketone, carboxylic anhydride, ester, secondary amine. Please memorize, so this will be useful for you. This is regarding for structural isomerism. Please follow. So next class I will discuss the optical isomerism. I will discuss. Okay, I hope I can stop now. My dear students, I am very much thankful for your kind attention given so far. And the students who are coming and seeing my channel, Neat Chemistry by Dr. R. Gunasekharan in YouTube, if you are first time, kindly click like and share with your friends and press the subscribe button. And the next thing, so this channel will be very useful for poor students. So they need not go for tuition. So starting from 8th standard, I am completing up to plus 2 level. After plus 2, I will be completing even question paper unit wise. 145 question in each unit I will discuss. All the questions including IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT and even NEET question paper will be included in the question paper. Please follow, my dear students. That is the most important rather than chapter. Okay. Now I have another information for you students who are studying plus 2 and plus 2 completed students waiting for NEET and an examination for this academic year, that is 2021 to 22. Dear students, we are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center, for the last 20 years since 1999. And now we have our own site, website, vetri.s. And if you go our vetri.s homepage, you can see our achievement for the last 20 years. A few achievements I will inform to you is my duty. 1. Every year we are sending 15 to 20 students to Jipar medical colleges, and 150 to 200 students we are sending to other medical colleges. And hundreds of students are joining engineering colleges, agriculture and other colleges. And a few students, they are joining IIT also. This is our achievement. Second achievement, in 2003, our student R. Srinivasa Raghavan got All India first rank in JIPMER. This is our achievement. In South India, nobody got so far the All India first rank except from Pondicherry and Vetri Coaching Center. Okay. Now, second important feature I want to inform you, the Vetri.s has 200 video lessons. All the lessons from 4 subjects, physics, chemistry, botany, zoology. And these lessons are recorded, video recorded lessons taken by Professor Doctor having 20 to 30 years of teaching experience in PG level as well as lower level, plus 1, plus 2 level. So, the importance in this is, the speciality in the video is, you can stop anywhere you like and you can take notes, formula, the derivation, statement, anything you can take. Then press, it will move. And also you can see any number of times you can. Please follow. Any number of times you can see. That is the importance of lesson. Then we have another 200 unit test. For the unit test, my dear students, we have taken questions and framed for unit test from IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, etc. For the last 20 years, from 1980 to 2015, we are taking the questions. It is having questions. And for the last 5-year question also, we are added in separately in our website. Kindly follow. Neat question papers are there. So what is the interesting information? So if you attend All India Entrance Examination, we have observed for the last 6 years, our students came and informed us nearly 75 to 80 questions of same questions repeated from our question bank. That is the very interest. So that our vetted daughters will give you 300 plus marks to you. And if you work hard and sincere, you will get 300 plus. So automatically 600 plus. By getting 600 plus, you will come to the All India rank. You will become a doctor. So if you join vetted daughters, we will give guarantee 100% you will become a doctor. The another important feature of this, which is not available anywhere in any online coaching in India, that is a review. What is that review? So you are going to attend the test. So when you open the test, there is a unit wise. Suppose in chemistry, let me say basic concept of chemistry. So there is attempt menu will be there. You press attempt. When you press attempt, what will happen? It will inform you, are you ready? Then it will say, this unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. So total marks 180. If one for correct answer 4 marks, the wrong answer -1. Are you ready? It will ask. Then if you click OK, then the page will open. Immediately you can see the question number 1. Questions, you will be there. Option A, option B, option C, option D will be there. And below that, you have 3 menus. That is 3 menu. Center, complete. And right side, this is, we can go next. Left side, reverse. Kindly follow. Center menu, complete. Right side, next, reverse, the left side. What the meaning is, if you are going for 1 to 45 question in each for unit question 45, so after attending question number 1, if you have to click next, then next, like that you have to go. Right? Suppose you want to come back for any nearing questions, reverse you can use. Suppose you are in 40, you want to go 20, don't use reverse question. Below that, please follow. This is the speciality of ours. 1 to 45 number will be there. 1 to 45 number will be there. They will be in yellow color. So what will happen now? Kindly follow, students. After attempting OK, after clicking OK, so if for the first question, you are selecting A is the correct answer and you are click that one, A. Immediately in the 1 to 45 yellow numbers, 1 becomes green color, 2 becomes blue color. The meaning is 1 is answered, 2 you have to answer immediately. The remaining yellow color shows after that you have to answer. Please follow. So here my advice is, students, what way you have to follow? You have to follow 3 steps. First step, you go through 1 to 45 questions, only known questions, 100% you know, click. After that, come back again, see the below the yellow. What is the lowest number? You click that yellow lowest number. Then go for again theoretical questions. With the difficult question you cannot understand. So think twice or thrice logically. And if you observe it is 80% may be correct, then go for answering that question. If it is less than 40%, if you are thinking, don't answer the question. This is the second step. Go up to 45. The last step, then again go for the lowest yellow. Now the problems will come. So attend the problems. After attending the problem, your answer is the answer that you are getting here is within the 4 option, A, B, C, D option. If it is coinciding, you may be right. So you know the formula, everything, you may be right. So please take the correct answer. So after finishing everything, all the 45 is over. So it is not necessary you have to complete all the 45 questions. You have to attend all the 45 questions. No. It may be 40 questions enough. If you do not know 5 questions, don't attend. Otherwise, you will lose mark. 1 mark will be helpful to you to get zipper seat. So, my dear students, so after attending everything, now carefully click complete. Click complete, immediately you will get answer. The mark will be shown by the window. Say for example, you are getting 140 by 180. Kindly follow. So, what I say, what is the speciality of review? So, even the number yellow color changing green, this is not available in any online coaching. That is number. Another thing, review also is not available. What is review? You can verify which question is correct, which question is wrong. Or which question you have done wrong, which question you have correctly clicked. That you can verify with the help of review. What is the review? Press review. Immediately what will happen? Again, question number 1 will open. Question will be 1 will be open. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Below that, correct answer will be given. And below that, there is video solution. Answer will be video solution, not typed matter. Please follow. This is different from other the online website conducted by other online center, other coaching center. Please follow. So suppose if you have answered A is the correct answer. So when you are received by review, A will be blue color. And the correct answer will be, it is there, yellow color. Kindly follow. So here B, C, D, R may be anything of yellow. Then what about that? Suppose if you are getting blue color and yellow color, that means that question you have done mistake. So you do not know. What you have to do? Click video solution. So it will run 10 to 15 minutes, it will run. So professor will read the question, read the options, then tell what topic, what subtopic it is, then explain, give definition, the formula, explanation, any diagram or any tabular column, everything will be provided like your video lesson. And then after that, he will explain that question. So, even a dull student get easily 500 marks because this is actually giving. But if you see other online coaching, go and see anything, they will give only 1 line or 2 lines typed answer they will give. Only typed material they will give. So a dull student cannot understand with 2 lines. He may not be satisfied. Kindly follow. So this is the most important feature of Vetri Coaching Center, that is Vetri.s. Please follow. The another most important, our Vetri.s is the low cost. What is the low cost? We are collecting only 10,000 rupees per year. Per year, only 10,000 rupees for all 4 subjects. Others, in lakhs they are collecting. So what is how to pay this amount? Kindly follow. You have to pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Sandhi, Director of Vetri Coaching Center, in Indian Bank, account number 71271941, IFSC code IDIB 000P134. So carefully, the account number and the IFSC code number should be correct. And if any query or any information or any doubt, contact me. Cell number 98941764225. Let me repeat, 98941764225. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you.